Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you have rested a lot this break week. Now, I'm going to present the idea for this week. We are going to work with pages 73, 74, 75 and 76. Yes, that is the idea for this week. Remember, this is going to be the term number 3. The book term number 3, but we are going to study the term number 4 in the school. But the book is going to belong to term number 3. Good. So on page 73 from the term number 3, we go to the point number 4. Work with the classmates. In the class, I'm going to decide on different associations and different communications among you in order to develop the activity by work in a classmate, in a teamwork. Good. Discuss the topic below. You can use the internet to look them up. So we're going to work with the topic. Name 2 apps that provide car rides. Yes, for example, when you apply in an app or in a cell phone, yep, in order to request for a service and to go to another part of the city. Number 2, name 2 apps you can use to listen to music. Good, perfect. And number 3, name 2 services that offer digital storage in the cloud. Good, perfect. You're going to discuss if you want to look for different things on YouTube, for example Google. Go. Try not to use different, like, not available or not reliable websites in class, I told you. And number 5, listen to a teacher talking about the startups in class. Write the name of the startup next to the statement according to what you heard. Good, perfect. Here we are going to listen successful startups, and we are going to listen it, and we are going to apply this. But we are going to name the startup next here in that part, according to the audio recording file. Number 6, listening again, and then based on what you heard, write 3 false statements. Ask a classmate to find the mistakes. Good, we are going to play a different game. Here, number 7, work with the classmates. Go to your photo bank W5PP1, look at the pictures, and discuss which are good ideas for a startup and why. Write your ideas below. Good, guys. On page 74, we go with this. Number 2, read. Be part of an original startup. Then fill out the form below with your personal information. Good. But here, we're going to read this before. Be part of an original startup. Do you want to start a new business? Something that can give you money? This is your opportunity. Look at the list of the new startup ideas. Good, perfect. So we are going to read it. If you can practice it, it's better. Yes, that's good. Then we are going to fill out the form here, but with our personal information. Good. In number 3, write a short email saying why you want to be part of a startup you chose. Good. Write between 35 and 50 words. Good. Here, remember to give the introduction, to give the body text, and the conclusion. Good. Then, no more. And on page 75, we go with this. Number 6, listen to a conversation about a failed business. Then answer the following questions. We are going to listen this failed startup. Yep. According to the audio recording file, remember all the audio recording files are going to be below the activity and the resources. Yep. So we are going to answer different sentences here, or different questions here, according or based on the question. Good. Perfect. In number 7, circle the phrases that best complete the conversations. Number 1, I feel very sad. Which one of them is going to be belong? Yep. To be completed. Good. Finally, we go to page 76. We go to imagine you want to start a new business. What kind of business would it be? Interview 2 classmates. Write the answers below. Remember, I'm going to tell you one strategy to communicate with your classmates by using different platforms. Good? Perfect. And we are going to be applying on this. Perfect. A startup, an adventure. Yep, we are going to read it. And we are going to go to point number 2. Read a startup, an adventure. Then answer the questions below using complete sentences. Yep, using complete sentences, we are going to answer different questions here based on this chart. A startup, an adventure. Dear Rick, I am writing this email to ask you for something like this. You're going to read, and if you can practice it, if you can read it aloud, good, perfect. Then and finally we go with the point number 4. Look at the short conversations below between people starting businesses. Good. Draw lines to put the sentences in order. Look at the example. For example, that the first person said about, "Hey, Ricky, are you busy?" Which sentence is going to belong to with the person number 2 or with the line number 2, number 3, and number 4? Yep, we're going to give it in order. If you can organize it in colors, that's better. Good, guys. Looking at this, we are going to work on this and we are going to practice and developing different things. Good, guys. See you in class. And remember, continue reviewing the different topics and start speaking in English. That's better for us. Good, guys. Bye bye. See you.